Okay, so I started opening this right here. This is a keyboard from Logitech. And as I started opening, I was like, this is so gorgeous. It looks so nice. I want to open it here and do an unbox so you guys can see everything that comes right here. Okay, so this is going to be the MX key for Mac. And I do have the mouse. And I'm going to tell you, I like this thing so much that I decided to get the keyboard because I figure if this thing is so good, the keyboard has to be amazing as well. So we're just gonna do a quick unboxing from here. This is how it comes in this box. Obviously, you take it off, and there is gonna be a box in a box. So this is what you got right here. I mean, the presentation is just beautiful. Now we're gonna open it together, and this is what you got right there. All right, so this is kind of what you got right there. Let's take it off, and whoa, the first thing that I tell you is that it feels a little bit heavy. It does feel a little bit heavy. I know a lot of guys talked about that, but again, it does feel pretty heavy. So let's unwrap this. Actually, I'm going to put it here to the side. I want to make sure that I got everything out. So again, there's a little bit of instructions here in the box, as you can see right here. So essentially, you have a keyboard. It's giving you two different choices. It's giving you Bluetooth right here, or actually have the little device that you could connect to the computer. So again, you have two different choices. And then if you see right here, I believe it's telling you that the keyboard could be connected to three different devices. If you open this side right here, you're going to have some paperwork, and you're going to have the little device to put in the computer right there. I'm going to use this with this instead of Bluetooth just because I have it, and I have the ports available, so I may do that. Okay, guys, nothing else. Okay, so we're gonna open it up right now, and like I say, it does feel pretty heavy, but it does feel like amazing quality. This thing is wrapped up really, really well. Whoa, wow, this thing is gorgeous. Okay, let me give you a closer look from this side right here. I would have never thought that I would have gotten so excited over a keyboard. And this thing right here, back here, if you kind of see this right here, it is kind of elevated. So as you can see right there, so it kind of brings the keyboard a little bit elevated. It's not sitting flat. It's sitting just enough for you to be able to see the keys and see everything. And if you go like this, yeah, the keys feels really, really nice. A little card that was there with the keyboard. And I just want to give you a closer look here so you can see. I mean, the color is beautiful. So again, just a real closer look so you can see. This is kind of like the front right there. And then here is kind of like the back right there. You got a couple different legs. You see right here, a little rubber right there. It says MC Keys for Mac. You see that right there. Again, this little bar right here, it allows it to sit a little bit higher, which I actually prefer that a lot. You have really good visibility of all the keys. All right, so we're going to plug it into the computer. And like I say, I'm going to utilize this little device right here. Okay, so the moment that I put that in, I automatically got right here something that says keyboard setup assistance. We're gonna press continue. Identifying your keyboard, press the key immediately to the right of the shift key. One thing that I want to mention as I'm setting up the keyboard right now is that I do have this cable. It comes with this one as well. And this is primarily the same cable that I do have right here already set up here on my desk for my mouse. So again, in theory, you should be able to run the keyboard with this if you're running out of batteries. Okay, so the setup so far has been pretty simple. I had to press the Z, which was right next to the shift, and then I had to come to the other side of the keyboard and press the letter right next to shift on the right hand side. Now it's telling me the United States kind of picked the standard keyboard. I'm gonna press OK, and maybe that is it. Let's see. That is it, guys. It's working. So this is just a quick unboxing. I'm really excited about it. I'm gonna use it for quite some time. I'm going to tell you right now a couple of things that I like so far. First, I was able to set it up very, very quickly in my computer. It took no time. I like the fact that you could do Bluetooth or you could do the different setup. I like the fact that it's a little bit heavier. It's right here in place, guys. It's not moving. So as you type in, the keyboard is not going to move or anything like that. I love that. It looks like it has a really beautiful designs, and it looks like it's really well set up with Mac. As I'm pressing this button right here, I could shift all my different screens and all that. So again, I'm excited to see what kind of buttons and what you can set up with this. Obviously, it has all the keys that you have in a Mac: Command, Option, Shift, and things like that. I love that it's bigger because now I got the numbers right here, and this is primarily going to be set up on a desk. So I really like it. I think it looks really fantastic. I definitely like the fact that you could turn it off and turn it on back here as well. It does charge with USB-C. That tells me that just very quickly before I leave the office, if I want to, I could turn it off and all that. So again, I think it does a really nice pair here with the mouse, and again, it looks really, really nice.